Hello, Valencia students. We wanted to make a quick video for you to talk about one of the biggest problems that people come to us with in their papers, which is being able to tell the difference between the theirs. T-H-E-R-E, T-H-E-I-R, and T-H-E-Y-R-E. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the definitions really quick, although generally you probably know those. What we're going to do is show you a couple of tricks for how to keep track of which one is which. Okay? So first thing we're going to note is there. The definition of there is when you reference a place or a position. So if you say, my house is over there, or there is where I set my breakfast, right? Those are positions or places that you're putting something, so you use this there. The next there is referencing to whom something belongs or is associated with. So if I say, where is their classroom, right? That's the classroom that belongs to them. Or their cars are parked outside. The cars belong to them. So we're referencing something that is theirs, and therefore we use this version of there. And then the final there is a contraction combining the words they and are. So every time you use this there, you're replacing those two words. If you say they're here, you're replacing they are here. Or they're going to meet us at the mall. They are going to meet us at the mall. So those are the three theirs, right? And they don't look that difficult here. They're color-coded. They have their definitions. It's not super hard to tell them apart. But when they're just like this, they're just standing there. How do we make sure that we remember which ones we're supposed to use? Well, got a couple of tips here that we'll go over. With their, T-H-E-Y'-R-E, the easiest thing to do is just test it by replacing it with the phrase that it's actually abbreviating, they are. So if you heard the sentence, there goes another car, can you replace there with they are? They are goes another car? No, that doesn't make sense. Or they ate their breakfast. They ate they are breakfast? Nope, that doesn't make sense. So we wouldn't use this there because we can't replace it with the actual phrase that it's abbreviating. So that's how you test that one to know if you're using it right. The next there, when we're talking about location, is this there, T-H-E-R-E, right? Here's the interesting thing about there. If you lose the T, it makes another word that is a location, here, right? So if I say, we're going over there, I know I could use this one because if I remove the T, I'm saying they're going over here. It's still a location, right? So we're still describing the idea of a location when we use this word. So that's sort of a shortcut. You can tell whether or not you're using the proper there to describe the location or the placement of something. And then the last one, there, T-H-E-I-R, when you're talking about possessions, you can actually do the same thing. If you get rid of the T on that, it spells the word heir. Now, if you know the definition of the word heir, it's a person that's legally entitled to something, property, money, and estate, right? Like if you're an heir in a will, it means something belongs to you now. Well, something belongs to you, it's theirs, right? Their hat, their coat, their car, their will, their estate, right? It belongs to them. So with both of these words, you can take the T away, and then the word that's left will give you a hint as to whether or not you're using the right word. Okay? So let's try a couple down here real quick that are blanks and see if we can figure it out. Is that what they're doing with all the money? Well, let's pop back up here for a second. Let's try the first test, the there, apostrophe R-E. We replace it with they are, right? So let's try it with all three of these. Is that what they are doing with all the money? Yep. Actually, that works perfectly. Great. So we can say they are. I went to the store, but I haven't seen her they are lately. Nope, that doesn't make any sense. The graduates all threw they are hats into the air together. Nope, that doesn't make sense. So we figured this one out. That one's they are by using that first test. Let's see what the second test is. Lose the T for here. What can we replace with here? I went to the store, but I haven't seen her here lately. That works, right? That's a location. So that means we can use there because it's a location one. And then what's the last one? Air. Lose the T in air, meaning it belongs to someone. The graduates all threw their hats in the air together. Are we talking about something that belongs to them? Yes, we are. Their hats. So the hats belong to them. They're the heir of the hats. So we can say there. So